Hello everyone. In previous class, we have discussed about the resistance, resistivity, factor affecting the resistance and all. Today, we will start with carbon resistor. Now, the question is, what do you mean by carbon resistor? Basically, there are two types of resistors that we'll use in our laboratory. One is known as carbon resistor and another one is known as wire wound resistor. So, wire wound resistors are big in size and it is costly, while carbon resistor are very small in size. It is somewhat like this. Clear? So, and it is cheaper. So, that's why we mainly prefer the carbon resistor. Now, the question is, what is carbon resistor? So, first we will start with its definition, that is carbon and resistor. It consists a ceramic core on which a thin layer of thin layer of crystalline carbon is deposited. Clear? So it consists a ceramic core on which a thin layer of crystalline carbon is deposited. It is very small in size, very small in size as compared to wire wound resistor, and also it is less expensive. Okay. So now the question is, how we'll find if it is this much of small, like this. So if it is this much of small, so how can we find its value? Okay. Its value is determined with the help of color coding printed on it. Okay. Now the question is, what do you mean by color coding? Okay. So next is color coding. Next topic is color coding. Actually, is somewhat like this, and four lines So this is the basic diagram of carbon resistor, in which you will get, sorry, if I'll make it with another one like this. these two are connection wires. On this register we will have the 4 different lines. So these 3 are close enough and one is at some distance. Okay, and it having the different colors. The colors combination will be anything like black, brown, blue and gold, anything. So we'll first note it down the different colors. What is the representation of different colors? That is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it is B, B, Roy, Great Britain, Great Britain having very good wife. Okay. Now, what does it mean? So, here this is black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, gray and white. Clear? And next we have 3 more things, that is they are gold, silver and no color. For gold, these 3 are tolerances. So for gold it is plus minus 5%. For silver it is plus minus 10%. And for no color it is plus minus 20%. Okay. These 3 colors will appear at the place of fourth line. Okay. In some cases you will notice that these 2 colors will appear at place of third. These 3 colors will never appear at the first and second places. So if it appears at 3 and 4th places, it should be 10 to the power minus 1, 10 to the power minus 2. But this is only for this condition, we will consider only for if these 2 colors, that is gold and silver, if these colors appear at third place. Clear? Now, let it is, this one is A, second is B, third is C and this is D. Now, how will write the value for any color? Okay, so it should be AB into 10 to the power C plus minus this much of ohm and plus minus D. Clear? For example, if we have it is given that blue, brown, red and silver colors are appear on any carbon register, find its value. So what is the value for this combination? Now for blue, what we have? For blue we have 6. So 6. Okay, and for brown we have 1. So as as I said, it is AB. So we'll put it over here. That is 61 into 10 to the power C. In third place, what we have, that is red. So 10 to the power 2 and plus minus D. D is silver. For silver we have plus minus 10%. So this is the value for this color combination. Clear? So to memorize it, what we have, that is B. Roy Great Britain having very good wife wears gold, silver necklace. Clear? So only memorize the red part. Red part is for our use. So B.B. Roy, Great Britain, having very good wife, wears gold silver necklace. Clear? Now we'll solve some basic numerical to understand the color coding of any carbon register. Question 1. Brown, black, blue and gold are brown, black, blue and gold, blue and gold are color strips in resistance, are in resistance. Find the value of resistance. So find the value of resistance. Okay, first B.B. Roy, Great Britain, having very good wife, that is black, brown, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, grey, white, gold plus minus 5%, silver plus minus 10%, no color plus minus 20%. Okay. Now it is given that brown, black, blue and gold are color strips. So we have a small formula. This is not a universal formula. Okay, this is only to understand or to find the value. Okay, this is not the you cannot find it in anywhere in any book. This is only to understand, that is AB into 10 to the power C plus minus D. Okay, so this is the A B, C and D. So first we'll find out the value A, B, C, D. Next is, first is brown. So brown, the value of brown is 1. So first is 1. Next is black. For black we have 0. Okay. Into the multiplier is blue. For blue we have 6. So 10 to the power 6. Okay. Ohm, and plus minus D, that is gold. Gold having the tolerances of 5%. These are known as tolerances. Clear? So this is the solution of this question. Next, second, what is color code of color code of 1000 kilo ohm plus minus 5%. Okay. So first we will solve it. So we have the value of resistance, that is 1000 kilo ohm and plus minus 5%. So can we say this will be 1000 into 10 to the power 3. 1000 into 10 to the power 3 and plus minus 5%. So if we'll solve it, what we have, first thing, how many digit that required for first places, that is 2. So we'll keep these two numbers, that is 1 and 0, that is 10, and move these two with this one. So that is 10 into, that is 10 to the power 2 plus 3, 10 to the power 5 and plus minus 5%. Now this is in standard 1. This value that represented over here, it comes in standard form. Now from here we can find out the value. So first it is 1. So color code equals to, first it is 1. So in place of 1 what we have, that is brown. Brown, that is 0 is black. Black. 10 to the power 5, multiplier is 5. So for 5 what we have, that is green. Green. And tolerances is again 5%. So in place of that what we have, which color, that is gold. Clear? Third, question number 3. 13 into 10 to the power minus 2 ohm plus minus 5%. Find color of a resistor. Okay. So here as you can see, what we have, that is 10 to the power minus 2, and this is the place this is the third place. So at first place what we have, 1. In second place we have 3, and here we have 10 to the power minus 2, and in this place we have plus minus 5%. So as I told you, if at third place we have multiplier in the form of minus, that is either 10 to the power minus 1 or minus 2, nothing else. Okay. So if it is 10 to the power minus 2, the color will be silver. we have previously told you. I told you it is 10 to the power minus 1 and 10 to the power minus 2 only in the case of multiplier, nothing else. Clear? So, for first, what color that we have? For 1, we have brown. So, in place of, we have brown. Okay. Third is orange. Orange. And in third place, that is 10 to the power minus 2 is silver. And in fourth place, 5% is gold. Clear? So, in this way, you can solve this type of problem. Okay. Next, one more numerical. Question number 4. 2.4 into 10 to the power 3 ohm plus minus 10%. Find color code of resistor. Find color of resistors. Okay. Now, so the given value for resistance is 2.4 into 10 to the power 3 ohm plus minus 10%. And what formula we have, that is AB into 10 to the power C plus minus D. This part is okay. This part is okay. But here, in place of AB, we have 2.4. Clear? So, first we will solve it. So, 2.4 into 10 to the power 3. So, if we will remove this point, so we have 10. If we will solve it, so what we have? 24 into 10 to the power 2 ohm plus minus 10%. Now, for 2 we have the color red. So, red. 4, that is yellow. Multiplier is 10 to the power 2. So, 10 to the power 2 is again red, and plus minus 10% is silver. Clear? So, this is the solution of this question. That's it for today. In next class, we will start the grouping of resistors. Thank you.